Ecom Squeezed. I'm Aaron and I'm back with another video on increasing account limits on eBay. So normally every account, even the biggest account, will have certain limits. For example, if you're starting, the normal limit will be 10 items per month, or it'll be either $100 or £100 per month. That would be the starting level. And you will have to wait for 30 days to increase the level. There are two ways to do it. So once you've logged onto your Seller Hub, you need to scroll down and you can see a tab called Monthly Limit. Well, if you cannot see that, you need to go to Customize here, click Customize, and then make sure the Monthly Limit option is checked. Well, before you start, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, your account needs to be either top rated or above standard. If you are below standard, it is really unlikely for them to increase the limit, and they might even decrease the limit. That's the way it works. And also, make sure that you've hit at least 80 or 90% of the limit. Don't call if it's halfway, because they most likely won't increase the limit. So when you're about 80%, this particular line here would turn yellow, and if you hit the full, it would be red. Same goes with the amount. Whichever hits first would be the limit for your month. What you have to do is, you need to click on Request to List More right here. Once you click on it, it will divert you to a customer care number. You need to call them and explain with a valid reason why do you want to increase your limit, or why do you want it to be increased. Once they're convinced, they will increase it straight away, and it would reflect on your account in the next 24 hours. Keep in mind that it can be only done once in 30 days. So for example, if you call them today and say you need the limit increased, and then call them after a week and ask for an extension, they will ask you to wait for 30 days. That would be the first way. And the second method is to max it out. So here it says 3,440. So I need to list till the max. I need to either the amount or the quantity. I need to list 3,440 items to hit the max. And you just need to wait for a day or two, and they will automatically increase it from their end. In my experience, what I feel is that they don't look at the 30-day time frame if the account is maxed out. They will do it in lesser days. All you have to do is to make sure that your account is maxed out. And again, the most important thing would be to make sure that your account is in good standing with not many cases or negative reviews, and it should not be below standard. That's as simple as that. Please subscribe to our channel for our new videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. All right, and I think this would help you, and thanks for watching. And if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can always book a 30-minute free consultation from the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe.